Oh my God, 3 cops.
Oh no, there's a third.
Now, it might not be a big problem because a lot of times cops,
They might just be bored.
they might be bored and they just want to roll up and see what's happening. Because a lot of times that'll happen.
Or probably because there's 4 of us just standing here. Like, I mean, we're not that intimidating. Like, come on.
I don't know, dude.
What's up, guys?
What's going on?
Okay, yourselves?
Doing all right.
You doing fine?
You guys drew attention to yourselves today. Do you know that?
Was it?
What?
Well, I guess you guys are flying up the Park Road and left on the gas station. Someone cutting other people off.
I mean, we left that gas station, but we weren't cutting.
Yeah, we were at the gas station, but we didn't do anything crazy.
Okay, well, so you guys know that one's illegal. The plate can't swing. So you know, we've been riding, that thing's flying up. Oh, even worse. Yeah, that's a $180 ticket.
It's a $3,000 ticket. He's barely holding it together.
Yeah, I literally had
So
to
the tie wraps are holding it together, really?
Yeah.
I mean, it's leaking oil right now, actually, too.
So, but you've known your buddy for long, but he's getting paperwork. But here's the thing, like, and you got the GoPro, so I imagine there's stuff on it. So get that fixed before I see you again, because you won't like that. But there's your friendly warning, the only one you're gonna get from me. Be careful.
All right, thank you.
We picked up and cleaned up after a lot of them, and some we make notifications to families that somebody's not coming home.
I know about
So I'm just telling you.
Yeah, I mean, it's on a hinge, and you can like super glue the hinge, and it won't move.
Is there a magnet underneath there?
No.
He tried Velcroing it to make it look like that, but you can't see it like that. So that's why he tried to make it just hang down. If we gave you a reckless charge on top of it,
Literally came over here. He goes, "Oh, this place is legal. Look at that!
Yeah,
Wow!"
let's get
He
this done
fucking
and
flipped it up. Can you reach into his slipper pocket, like right here, and grab the super glue out of it?
I got airplanes inside that. I'm going up. Oh, you want to talk? Yeah.
I was gonna say, I can only guess what you were saying. It ripped off. It's technically used, but I got it from Cleveland.
Okay.
And
The title?
Temtech? Yes, yeah.
Is it your name and everything?
Yep.
Okay.
Need to check anything? Like, yep, I'm fully endorsed. Got insurance on it.
You got it on you? Your wallet? Your
Yep.
ID? Thanks, man. Give me 1 second, okay?
Yeah, sure. Just literally came up today. I was planning on just punching some more holes when I get home, but
Yeah, I was going to stop you earlier, but...
I think I saw you. Yeah, I go to school at
UW?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's more of a fair fight on the side streets to take off.
Sorry?
It's more of a fair fight on the side streets to the
Oh,
highway.
dude, I'm not.
If you decide not to stop.
Brand new bike. I don't even know.
I get it too, man. I ride, you know, I've had R1.
Yeah.
I've never had the bad R1. Like, I get it.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, it's sports bikes, no plates.
I go to school. I'm not trying to speak to them down in school.
Oh, no, we're just saying, you know,
Yeah.
all these bikes,
Sure.
they're trying to pod or they just run all the time. That's all.
I get it. Yeah.
All right. Well, I appreciate you stopping, being cool and everything. All right.
Yeah.
I'm
sure you'll see me, man.
All right.
Take care. Drive safe.
You there.
Wait, you got pulled over?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. It took like 5 minutes. He just checked my license and he went back to his car. That was it.
In Berea?
What?
In Berea?
Yeah, we're right down the street.
What did you tell him? You feel like I just bought it?
What?
Did you tell him you just bought the bike or what?
Yeah, I had the tent tag in my pocket. I gave it to him. I was like, look, it's just ripped off. Like,
Oh, you got pulled over?
yeah.
Yeah. You said yeah. Like,
Yeah,
it's
it's
the same time
then, you know?
Yeah.
I got pulled over to gas.
Cop was following me earlier when I was leaving school because I rode this to class, and he was following me. And I guess he caught me like coming back. He was like, "Oh, I got you this time." I'm like, "I wasn't gonna run, dude. Like, I'm not. I live here. Like, I'm not trying to."
See, I told you they were going to be late.
What's going on, my man?
Clearly, you know why I'm stopping you, right?
I just got this like this week.
Okay.
I haven't had a chance to fix that yet.
All right. You got your operator license on you, man?
Yes, I do, sir. Mind if I reach for it?
No, go ahead. You
My
don't have
bad. I got no
weapons
weapons on me. No, no.
I'm not worried about it. Go.
Thank you.
Is this on a hinge?
5408.
No.
No spread, more fireworks, 8206 Ridgedale.
How long ago did you buy it?
You know, I'm holding it.
This week. It was like Tuesday.
Okay.
I just registered it Friday.
Okay. I'll tell you what, so we're not in this peculiar spot. I'm gonna have you pull into CVS Center, okay?
I'm not going anywhere.
All right. I'm gonna cut you a warning, okay?
Thank you,
I
man.
ride, and like so do all my coworkers, but you gotta fix it.
Yeah, I know it's
You know
pretty
what's gonna
bad.
happen next is some cop is gonna hunt you down. Like I just did, right?
Yeah, I know it's not in the best spot.
It's not in any spot. You can't read it. It's supposed to be down like that.
Yeah.
So it's an easy way to get yourself into a ticket situation, right?
Of course.
And you just got your temps or your
No, this is my full license.
You got your endorsement.
This is my 4th year.
Oh, is it?
It's my 10th bike.
Oh,
Yeah.
I saw something on there. But... All right,
Fine.
I'm gonna write you a warning. I'm gonna get you going.
I appreciate that, man. Thank you very much. Huh? Yeah. It is what it is. Oh, it's just a warning for the plate. Yeah, it's not too visible. It is what it is. You guys take care.
Hey, it's a nice bike though, man.
I appreciate that, man. I just got it, so.
What is it?
It's an R1.
Hey, you saw that? But like, I don't want to die, so I don't want to get a bike.
I've been riding for 4 years. I've been just fine.
4 years?
Yeah, it's my 10th bike, dude.
Damn, nice. Do you destroy your other bikes, or what happens then?
No, I just sell them.
Oh, okay.
Drive safe, guys. Don't get pulled over.
Hey, stay safe.
Is it an R7?
I'm sorry?
R7?
I got a hearing problem. Let's do.
Is it an R7?
It's a R1.
Sorry, I didn't mean to insult you by giving you a lower horsepower.
No, you're fine.
motorcycle.
You're close.
I don't
but-
know all my model numbers yet.
It's a 2018 R1.
Is it 2018?
Mm-hmm.
What is the? Maybe the plate right?
Only had.
Oh, King William.
Oh,
I can't read it.
no, you're fine. It's not your fault. Yeah, that's gotta go. Get that taken care of. I was gonna say I could get you my registration too if you need it, but
No.
I figure you're all right.
It shows up on your name. I thought it was a different letter on it. Like I said, it's just a warning, okay?
Appreciate that.
Well, thanks for stopping.
I
Keep
don't
the squinting
do
to an
that
area
stupid
that
shit, yeah.
isn't in the city, okay?
Appreciate that.
Because we've been getting a lot of that around here. I don't know if you heard about the one kid.
Hey, you stay safe too. It's a rough night.
Yeah.
Take care.
7 or R1?
Yeah.
Which one?
2018.
R1 or R7?
That's an R1.
R1, R1.
You want tip back?
Yeah.
I've seen your page a couple times.
Wait, you right?
I got S1000.
Oh,
fuck yeah, dude.
The dark side. Stay away from us.
It was yours.
No, Hey, with me on it, yeah.
Be careful.
Give me kisses.
This dude's just staring at me, bro.
He's about to call the cops. He's got his hand clenched on the phone.
Man, that dude's staring.
That dude is like hard staring at us, bro.
Hey, get off your phone.
You see the dude in the car right behind me?
That's TTSV?
Oh, the dude right there. Like fucking hard. Look at him, bro. He looks miserable. Yeah.
Is this safe?
Is this safe? I mean, it's riding. It's safer than probably like moving, bro. Like it's fine.
You never know, man. Someone might not hit the brakes and just.
Why are we stuck in traffic, man?
Bro, please go get her number, bro.
She's hot.
Go get her number, bro.
Does she look like she's into fat guys or no?
Just do it,
You bet me I won't.
bro. I will. I'll buy you a tank of gas with that. If you just ask her, bro.
This fucker's completely hitting you with the middle finger.
I'm actually about to do this.
Go do it, dude.
Wait, hold on. Where so I can prospect? Where? I'm not doing it. But
Seriously, right there.
and it's a white car?
It's the Jeep, bro. It's a Jeep.
Oh, yo, my bad. I'm my bad.
No. It's fine.
Okay.
This is your chance, Derek. She's
Hold on.
never gonna see her again if you don't.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah. Yeah, you got it.
Go.
Come on, Derek. Yeah.
Go.
Hey, alright, we got some time to think about it. Let me think about it.
No.
Fair enough.
You can say that.
Fair
You're gonna
enough.
lose it, bro. You're gonna lose it. You're gonna lose it
dude,
forever.
He's so hot. He's so hot, dude.
Derek, you got your
So
helmet on, bro.
fucking
She
hot.
can't even see your eyes. All right, wait. Everyone, shut up.
Hey, excuse me. How you doing tonight? Pretty good. I thought you were pretty cute. I saw you sitting over here. Did I get your number?
Come on.
Oh man. No.
No. Now we have to sit here awkwardly. No.
It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay.
There, pal.
Oh, he is. He was looking right at you.
Oh, he's coming this way.
Oh. What are you gonna do, Pat?
Stand here.
He's gonna say something. I know that for a shot.
Oh, it's Jamie. I know Jamie.
He's looking at our plates, bro. He don't look too happy. He isn't doing anything about it.
He's a cool guy.
Love how you just know him.
Huh? I've known him my entire life.
I can't see him. There's a big spectrum truck in the way.
Well, the spectrum truck.
I don't want to look like suspicious and like peek my head up. Oh,
It looks like he's like about to leave, but he like doesn't want to.
Yeah, that would be so funny if the Spectrum just pulled out of the way and the fucking cops just walking up to the bike.
Brother, do they really leave these unlocked?
Yeah.
They said, here's your ice, sir. You take it.
Well, they probably the margins on that is probably enough where they don't give a shit.
It's ice, man. Like,
Okay, alright, you're right. Okay, I'm
the
sorry.
bag costs more than the fucking ice itself.
He probably wants you to fill gas. Because he probably thinks you're loitering.
Oh, no, we're good.
Oh, he's pulling out. He's pulling out. Oh, he don't care.
He got tired of
He don't care
waiting.
no more.
Where do you live? That's so weird. He didn't care. He literally did not care. He just saw nothing.
No, he saw my bike and he was like, I know who that is.
No, he doesn't, because he can't see your plate.
You don't know that.
I
Maybe
do know that. There's nothing there.
Shut up.
Like mine's kind of messed
Well,
up.
I mean, yours is in 4K Ultra HD right over there.
He couldn't.
Fucking spotlight.
Bro, he didn't even look back at mine. He was just looking at yours.
That's all I'm like, why didn't he say anything? That's so not like them. They're usually like...
I thought he was going to pull back around and be like, yo, fella.
Well, you're used to Brooklyn cops. Berea doesn't have that issue, so they don't really... You don't have a plate? Okay.
Don't even think he saw yours, Austin. Like, yeah, when we pulled in, he was probably looking at yours too and was like, alright, we're defenseless here. He could have, like... I'm disappointed he didn't say anything, bro. I'm like, what the hell?
Play there. I'm good.
Why'd you,
Give it a good go.
why'd you smack it like that?
I don't know. How am I supposed to smack it? Oh, alright.
That's okay.
I don't know why cops make me so nervous, but I'm like...
Especially in Berea, I am not nervous.
I see Cleveland cops and I'm still like fucking looking back and they're just trying to find someone from like killing someone else.
They're trying to find a murderer. And you're like, oh my god, please no.
Pretty sure that cop didn't give a fuck. Alright. What was his name? I don't know why I asked that, but...
I don't know. He's a good guy though.
He looks like a bald motherfucker.
He's a sergeant now.
He's supposed to drive that huge ass Tahoe that probably gets a 0 to 60 of next year.
Well, that's our brand new Tahoe. We just got that.